Filtering data in Excel. Excel allows us to see the important data and hide the rest data temporarily from the set of data. To apply filters, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 2. Select the filter option. The list appears with the drop-down controls or the filter switches on the right side of the column headings. 3. Click on Filter switch. Here, we want to see the records of all the girls of the class. 4. Tick the desired checkbox. 5. Click on the OK button. Custom filters. Excel also allows you to use custom filters. For example, you want to view the records where the house is Ravi and the gender is girl. First, we will put a filter in column D and set the gender to girl by checking against it, and then set the house to Ravi. Removing filters. To remove the filter, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Sort and Filter command. 2. Select Filter option from the drop-down menu.